Hello. So sorry for the delay in the introduction. I was just trying to um I was just trying to broadcast that I was up online. Eh, today today's episode is a little bit late, right? It's almost 12 hours later than usual. It's because I had a very rushed morning, somewhere to get to, and didn't have the time. I was contemplating giving today a miss, but I I don't want to miss the streak. Although not many people are watching, but I think it's something that it's it's something that the project shows, right? We want to show consistency, and we want to show that we actually are serious about what we are doing. So no rest days, hustle, hustle, hustle. Just kidding. But yeah, today I went through the projects. Wait, before anything, for those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Isaac, and I am the founder of MetaWatchies. What we do here is review NFT projects and their websites, and white paper roadmap particularly, and we look for the latest trends and best practices so that we can implement for ourselves here at MetaWatchies. And how I do this is like just going through their website and just saying what I like about it or what I think about their tokenomics and their roadmap. Today we have a short list. Let me see. I think just 5 that are eligible for review. Let's just, without further ado, dive right into it. The first one would be MetaWorms. You could see it here. I think this the design of this website is what NFT Launch just used to look like back in the day. When I say back in the day, I think maybe a year ago. So it's not as refined as what we see in other projects right now. But something nice that I like is that they showcase all the different different NFTs. Wait, is it crooked? Is it crooked on purpose? Wait, I didn't realize it was crooked. Wait, let me see. It's crooked. Why? I hate it. Just kidding, but yeah, why is it crooked? Right, let's just see the roadmap with no bias, no prejudice. Let's just see. So it's a collection size of 6,666, which is generally what we see nowadays. It kind of ranges from the 5k plus, right? Like you see like maybe 4 to 6k kind of collection. We rarely see 10k projects right now. They are quite synonymous with rugs, and it's a hit or miss kind of thing, right? They either do really really well, think okay best, or they do really really badly, think balloons fail, I guess. Right. Right now it seems like they are launching, but their roadmap is not updated at all. So their Discord is not launched yet. Not too sure if that's true. Okay, it doesn't seem like there's any Discord, but they are already minting. Okay, that's quite interesting lah. Their roadmap is not defined at all. Don't know what are they doing, what kind of value they are adding, but they dive right into minting right away. This is a new strategy. Haven't seen it before. Is this the new meta? Or maybe this is like the old meta, right? Since their website is like last year. like there's this fuck with a shark eating it. It's pretty cute lah. But overall, nothing much to say. Don't you think? Like if you're here, just new, you're just looking. You don't know what they're doing, and it looks very like scammy. Not saying that they are, but hey, if they can't even put this straight, don't know what to say about that. Okay, maybe we can skip for this one. I should have went to take a look, take a look further into this before I wasted everyone's time over here. Okay, wait, maybe it's not a waste of time now, but if you are a founder or if you're evaluating a project, this website is a no-go. You probably don't want to have something like this. It's the only reason is because they are not showing like why you should mint it, and that's a very very big reason. The second big reason is this is stunted. Just kidding. I just wanna. I like that they put fuck here. Okay, let's just go to the next one. I know Great Goats. It looks very nice, but I couldn't access the site. I know that currently Webflow has some issues. Perhaps they are hosted there, so that's why the website is down. Another reason, which is quite probable, because I saw this website just now, on my way back, I was doing some research, and I saw this website actually load, and it looked pretty okay, but right now they're down. So I think maybe they're minting and it's super successful. This looks like the hallmark of every successful project in NFT, right? You think about DGods, you think about Cats on Crack, they all look something like that. Okay, so the next one is Droid Capital. Now you have this CrossChain NFT. What do they mean by CrossChain? Let's just dive deeper. When they say this called CrossChain Hive HQ and home base for all. Okay, I assume when I first saw it, I assumed that this is a cross-chain NFT, so you can mint it in more than one places. More than like just Solana. You can probably do it in, I don't know what else, Cardano maybe. I'm not very sure. Let's see if they say anything. Oh, it seems like Great Goats is working for some people. So I don't know why is it just for me. Maybe we'll come back later and see if it's back up. Making Daniel, you're right. Yeah, making Google is harder than making it straight. So wait. So this means they're very skillful at what they do. Don't you think? Let's see. What is Droid NY's team? I guess their community is Droid, right? What was this loading bar? I'm just curious, like, why did they want to put this in? What's the reason for this? Okay, so why buy? Right. DAO. Okay, now I'm looking for the next thing I'm looking for is staking. Let's see. Wait. Let's see. Affiliated with real life VC fund is fully licensed and regulated in UAE, Dubai, and Australia. Okay, that's pretty cool. Experienced founders, VC team. Now, I think that a project that is founded by people in the VC space, it has a lot of potential, especially in adding value. I'm not too sure about creating hype, but adding value for sure. This is speaking from my experience networking with people who are in the VC space and started NFT or funded NFT projects. Just today, I saw one which we as a team we saw this. Oh shit, I cannot remember what is the name, but I know they are doing like some phygital stuff as well, which is pretty interesting. They are planting trees and they are tagging the trees with to the NFT, so you could own that tree, and it's a fruit bearing tree and the fruit is durians. Those of you who are in Asian countries, you would love them. Those who aren't, yeah, probably you probably give it a miss. Okay, back to Droid Capital. It looks like a early stage website. It's not much information, and it's not very. There's no roadmap. They are just. It looks very Web 2, right? Like a little bit too distant from the community. It's good that they have Discord, and maybe you should take a look later on. I'll look at it myself later on. I don't really want to share my Discord screen. So if you are interested, join the Discord and see what they have to say. But right now, not saying much. They're just saying like how good they are. I guess. I guess their biggest selling point is them being backed by a VC. Today's websites have been really underwhelming, I think. Alright, the next one is, I know this is on Launch My NFT. Nothing to review here. It's just a marketplace. You can't really see anything. Next is Princess. They have something right here. Right. This right away reminds me of a Linktree website. Like, you know, when you click on Linktree, you get all the things to click. It looks very, very similar. But let's just see. I think they are optimizing this website for mobile view, because I scrolled through it on mobile and it looks pretty nice there. What I like about this, right, is that if you take a look closely at the background, that there's this moving, is it like a dust ball? Wait, so it's Princess, so I guess it's smoke, right? So it's probably like the smoke from the bong or something. And it's what websites are currently designed like, as in usually the latest trends in web design, they have a very huge image which what calls out to you. But I guess this time around they didn't execute it too well, although like you can still see it. There's something moving at the background. It makes the site feel more alive and more immersive. Is this like Hermione? Princess NFT, vote for us. Okay, Shake Mania. Okay, so this is their staking. Wow, it's actually like not bad. It's almost like 60% minted. But they could do something better about this, don't you think? It feels very not very well presented. You want to shout it out, right? Like, hey, we're gonna be fully minted soon. 800 left or something. And choose a better font and like highlight or something. NFT dispensary, right? Moonbud staking. Docs, white paper. Okay, let's just see if they have the white paper really done. More information. I'll click this and I'll click more information. Are they the same? Tokenomics and white paper. Okay, so let's just see official white paper. Wait, what is this? Oh, okay. Huh? Wow. This is new. Okay. Doesn't necessarily mean it's good. Look at the way shit. They didn't even spell token map correctly. But this is how they put their roadmap. Are these dates? No, they are not. They are like chapters. And at 15, they changed to 1. At 1.1, 10, they changed to 2. My guess is 0 means phase 0, phase 0 then sub phase 1, and then like phase 1, then start phase 0. Oh man, today's projects are really interesting. And it's a weekend. I thought weekend we would have better projects. Not to say that they suck, but I'm sure they can do better. It just seems like a very haphazard way of saying what they do. And okay, let's just see their tokenomics if it's even better. Earn by staking pot. Trade whatever the token is for whitelist tokens, NFTs, real life merch, unique 1-for-1s, and utility. Right, so they have the cookie cutter roadmap. The cookie cutter roadmap is very simple. You have your marketing. Number 1, marketing. Number 2 is your mint. And then afterwards you have your DAO. And then you have your staking. And then you have your merch. Your merch is because you have your tokens, right? You need somewhere to spend it. So this is their roadmap. And I figured out their roadmap in their tokenomics. Okay, I assume tok means something. Like it's a slang for some for people smoking weed. I don't know what tok is. I'm so sorry. So I guess I guess this tok map is not because they spelled it wrongly. I'm wrong. Yeah. But this, come on man, you can do better. Like, yeah, you definitely could do better. Unless the way that they design this website is, no, they can put images. I thought they it's like a blog style and these are all posts or something. Not too sure. Overall, not too interested in this, but hey, there's demand. 1,416 has minted at a price of, okay, at the price of 50 cents, right? With the current Solana price, I guess why not mint it, right? If it's just 50 cents, if you have 50 cents lying in your wallet, 0.01, so no harm. But overall, not too impressed. Not something which I'll be sharing with my friends. So we'll go to the next one. Give me a while. Next one would be women for Ukraine, because Shroud has no website. Boki DAO is they have nothing either. And I do not know why is this Boki DAO, but this is Boki's DAO. Yeah. So there's nothing to review anyway. Pixel Great Goat is, I think, yeah, on Launch My NFT. Nothing much to say about them. And then Women for Ukraine. Today, yeah, after Women for Ukraine, D-Bot Apes is yeah, it's this site. We saw this site before and it's very clearly not what we stand for. So we won't be reviewing them. And the last one is the Mermaid of the Seven Seas. Right, so let's take a look at Women for Ukraine. I'm not sure what this means. So 4 is like not found, right? So Women not found Ukraine. I'm not sure like why do they put that. But it's exclusive and limited hand-drawn collection of 4 NFTs on Solana to support Ukraine women refugees. Right, this has a good cause, and I wonder how much of the money goes to the refugees. Now, this is a huge cash grab with her. Okay, before I say anything, let me just say what else do they have install. Okay, reading this, right? This project is Women Fall for Ukraine. Maybe this launch is just for Ukraine, but to me, this project is focused on giving aid to women in Ukraine, but in all of their roadmap, this was the only one that mentioned what they would do. And they are only giving 10% of the money raised. So I'm not sure if I'm right to think this way, but this is how I feel about it. I feel that they are just using this as a mask to get money, and paying 10% to have 90% for themselves doesn't sit right with me. If I want to donate something, I hope that my money will go a longer way. If you're keeping 90%, I hope that it brings better value to not just me, but women of Ukraine. Reading this so far, it doesn't seem like they are doing anything else for the women of Ukraine after the 10% that they are giving for charity. And I dislike it a lot, because you're masking your project behind the face of a charity and like for providing aid. It's a great cause, but you're not exactly carrying it out right. So I don't really like this. You realize that I'm speaking a little bit more seriously now, because it's a serious issue. I feel like it's a great cause, and it should have been executed better. It could have been executed better. And maybe I'm misunderstanding them. Maybe I'm not reading well enough, and I just misunderstood them. But it just seems very it seems like a facade, right? They do have the cookie cutter roadmap, their staking and their DAO and their and all the giveaways, right? After all, they just want to build a community, and this is a good way to market and create this community, grow a community. It's a good strategy, I guess, but it's just not really ethical to me. I'm not sure how you guys feel about this. Okay, let's hope. So far, we haven't really seen anything really nice today, and this is the last one. And let's hope that Mermaids of the Seven Seas can do us some good. Alright, a large image to just welcome us to the website. This is something we have seen in web design very, very often, and MetaWatchies, we are trying to replicate this. Right now, our site doesn't have this big asset that welcomes you to the page, and I think that's really that's a nice trend. It's very nice. It's a big banner, right? So what is mods about? Right, I saw that this is 10k, but I saw that this is 4.2, so I'm not too sure which is which. Gallery, okay. Hey, this is Singapore. This Gardens by the Bay. This MBS. Okay. Are they a Singaporean team? Alright, let's just see their roadmap. Let me just make it smaller so that we can all see this. Shit. Okay. Introducing mods, launching the collection. Hey, wait. That's fine. That's just fine. Launching the collection. So where launch social media, that is marketing. Next, we are looking for mint. So launch the collection early May. They're a little bit late. It's early June right now. and then DAO, right, and then staking. Alright, so no staking, dive right into merch. They have 80% of the cookie cutter roadmap, but let's see if there's any extra stuff that they are doing. This is very generic. Every NFT project goes through this, and then community and connections, the DAO, right, and then exclusive airdrops featuring more of mods and Solana. Okay, minting rewards will be deployed, and then get access to mods official merch store with high quality items, and then the merch store is released to public. Right, so it's the project ends with a merch store, which is nice. You get something tangible out of it. Okay, let me just scroll down. Yeah, I think, yeah, I'm so sad that this is the best one that we have seen, but this is very generic. I wouldn't, like, I'm not, like, put against all of these NFTs. Okay, let me just see. Okay, basically, I at the end of the stream, usually I put myself in a very hypothetical scenario, and with a disclaimer that it's not financial advice. Neither is it. It's not any advice. Just don't take my word for it. It's just some fun that I like to have. I put myself in a situation where I am given a chance to mint one of these projects, and I will let you know which one I would take a chance with. Assuming that I have the whitelist and the money and everything, today's lineup not too great. I don't really enjoy them too much, but oh man. Hey, let's just see. Top 3 to me: Pop Princess, MetaWorms, and Mermaids. In terms of website, I think Mermaids is the best. They presented the information pretty well. Okay, so they're a huge team, you know. They have they have 8 people, because these are 2 people and 2 people. Yeah, they have 8 people, and I'm not too sure. You know, some days it's really hard because there are 2 projects that are really good, and this is one of the other days where none of them like really excite me, and I wish I could just pick none of them. Which, you know, I just might do, right? But hey, you know what? I feel like I have to pick something, and I am gonna pick mods for one reason only. It's because they showed Gardens by the Bay and Marina Bay Sands. That's the only reason why. And the Maldives, and the Northern Lights, and what else do they have? I can't recognize this place. Probably the Maldives as well. I also don't recognize this place, nor this. But yeah, just because they put this too, and that's the only reason why. So it's not even this is not financial advice at all. If you think it is, I have to tell you that it's not. And yeah, oh man, I really pushed myself to live stream today, and the projects that I've seen today, not good at all. Very disappointing show today. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. Hey, if you are minting today, I wish you all the best, man. Perhaps great goats, because we haven't seen yet. Hey, let's just see. Let's see what's... Oh shit, never mind. SSL protocol error. You think it's because I didn't update my Chrome yet? I'll try it later, and if their website is up, then I'll review them tomorrow morning. Yeah, so they have 11,000 in their collection. That's pretty huge. Okay, now I guess I'll end my stream now. Thanks so much for watching. If you are watching, if you are catching the VOD, yeah, if you have stayed to the end, thank you so much for watching. I just saw this kaiju city and the artwork looks so funny. I just want to thank you for your time. Unfortunately, today's projects aren't that good, and yeah, I hope that tomorrow the projects that we see tomorrow will be much better. Alright, good night everybody. It's night time right now. I'm gonna shower and I'm gonna sleep. See y'all. Bye. Wait, I haven't ended, but someone so Daniel someone told me that I should add HTTPS to the front. Yeah, it doesn't work as well. Alright, so thank you so much. Good night everybody. Bye. Shit, every time I want to like say bye and then like smile and close and off the stream, I realize that once I click stop streaming, there's